we can make some inexpensive holiday decorations with yarn, coffee stirrers, clothespins, and aluminum foil in a few moments. So to create these yarn crafts, we're going to take yarn and we're going to wrap it around a piece of aluminum foil so that it's easier to create a yarn ball and you don't have to use as much yarn. You can actually do this with a lot of yarn balls instead of starting out from scratch. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how you're going to do that. You're going to move it around this aluminum foil. We actually have a video online. When I say we, I mean my mother and I. She's the one filming this, so I will have to thank her. You've seen some of my videos and you've seen how they were a little bit shaky. Well, fortunately her hands are more steady than mine are. So as you can see, I'm getting this yarn around this aluminum foil. Oh. Okay. And you know what I mean. You would probably want to put a little bit of glue here to make it easier. But once you have it done, it comes out like this. We made this little bit of a yarn ornament by wrapping the yarn around the aluminum foil and putting a cork in between, and that makes a cute little gift for a crafter in your life. This little yarn ornament. We also created a lollipop. Now, in order to get this lollipop, you can take a jar lid, put it on a piece of cardboard, and trace it. You could also flip this over and glue something to the jar lid itself. So that's an easy way of creating that. And then we just took a coffee stirrer and glued it to it. So you have this cute little ornament, which is a lollipop. This is a great little craft for kids or as a cute little gift. So I told you a few moments ago that you can wrap the aluminum foil with yarn. This is how it would look, and you can put as much yarn or as little yarn as you want. I made this really big yarn ball by mixing it with aluminum foil. Let me just show you how I did that. Let's see, right here. So you can see that you can make these giant yarn balls for decoration, put in a beautiful display around your home without using a lot of yarn. The next craft I'm going to show you is this ornament that was made out of a cardboard that comes with a tape dispenser. And what I did was I made a zigzag on one side or a cross design on one side and straight on the other side, so as it turns around you get a little different design. It also could look like a little wreath. You could put some flowers on it or something else. So this, you can decorate it a lot more with other things on it, little rhinestones, or you can leave it plain and simple. A bigger one of these would be beautiful on a door or just as an ornament. This ornament is just a bunch of cedar balls stuck together and just with a ribbon glued to the back. So you can use this as a little simple Christmas tree decoration. You can paint it, put rhinestones, make it into a little snowman. You can do a lot with this. Before I showed you how it would look as a little angel, and I think that would look really pretty. This is a lace coaster that came as part of a set. You can hang it with a clothespin or put a pretty ribbon on it. And this is such a great way of displaying something maybe you had for a while or maybe was part of a relative's collection. I love to save money with supplies and crafts, so you can get a pack of these clothespins from the dollar store and actually glue things on it. You can glue these glass marble gem beans, gems and marbles that you can get from the dollar store. This would be such a pretty ornament, but also you could take the ribbon off and use it on your desk to hold your papers because it's completely functional. Or just put a picture on it. These sheet protectors that I'm holding, these are little like trading card protectors. And you can stick pictures in it. You can use it as a foundation to glue ornaments on them. So this would be so pretty to just stick these corks and paint them onto this sheet protector. You can cut around the edges, or you can just put a hole in it and hang it as is, which is similar to what I did in this craft. And let me just give you a quick look at that. When you flip it over, it's just as pretty, but you could put another gemstone set on this side, so if it flips over, you have a different color. And that can easily be placed on your tree. I showed you the snowman made out of the cedar balls. This is out of cork. And the last quick and easy craft, once you have these leftover corks, you can make these wine glass markers. Put someone's initial on it, and all you need is, I used a small one so that it wouldn't be as obvious, but you can just use a bigger one if it's easier, and just put it into the cork with a little piece of ribbon. So I hope these suggestions help. Feel free to leave comments below. And just one quick other tip, you can put a photo into this and hang it on the tree. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.